Christmas desserts brought to you by Regal Products. Alright, the fun recipe ideas continues here on Home Sweet Home. And we're moving into Christmas desserts, and this one is brought to you by the folks at Regal Products. We have our first cake artist on the show that's going to roll out that Christmas cheer for you, that Christmas recipe that you're going to try over the holidays. She really brought the Christmas. Her name is Staci Bunbury, and she is of Halo Desserts. Welcome, Staci.
Thanks, Joe. Thanks for having me.
Welcome back. So I mean, do you love Christmas as much as I do in terms of?
I do.
Yeah.
Every part of me screams jingle bells.
Because, I mean, looking at those dress desserts, you can't help but feel the spirit when you see.
Of course.
And something about desserts and Christmas
They go hand in hand all the time.
Despite the ham and the turkey and.
Yeah, you need something sweet.
Yeah.
So that's what we're here to do today.
That's what you're here for. Yeah. So what are you doing for us?
Okay, so with the magic of Regal Products and a true training Christmas, we bring into you Eclairs. So what we're going to be doing is making a sorrel custard and a chocolate mint custard to fill our eclair shells. So our sorrel custard will be topped with a punch of creme buttercream using Regal's icing and sugar. And our chocolate mint will just have some chocolate ganache, and we'll go through that just now.
Can't get more Christmas than that. I hear
definitely can.
I hear chocolate, I hear punch of creme, I hear sorrel.
That's right.
That's Christmas.
So what we're going to start off is we're going to be making our custard, and we're going to follow our package instructions. So we're going to take our egg and milk, and we're going to just mix that a little bit, and we're going to add it to our custard powder and icing sugar and continue to blend. Meanwhile, we have some simmering water, and we're just going to temper that in a while.
So that's going into the water?
Yes, it is. Well, first what we're going to do is we're going to slowly and in a stream add the simmering water to this mixture and then return it to the heat to get thick.
Okay.
So here we have all our ingredients blended.
Oh, the water is adding to the egg mixture.
In a very slow stream so that you don't cook the eggs.
Whoa. So you gotta keep stirring.
Yeah, and you can keep on stirring. And then what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna return this to the heat on a very low fire. And we're just gonna mix until it's all thickened up. And we set this aside because here we have our product already mixed.
So it will get thick like this?
Yes, it would, as it's cooled, right? So we've cooled this down and we've had it resting, and we've divided the recipe in half, because what we're going to be doing is 2 separate dessert fillings. So here we have some sorrel jam, and we're going to incorporate that into this section. And this one, we have some chocolate ganache, which is simply chocolate chips melted down with some heavy cream, and we have about a tablespoon of mint extract in it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add this. This is about 3/4 of a cup. I'm gonna add this to our Regal custard, and I'm gonna just stir it in. And this is gonna fill our eclair shells. We could just make it ahead, put it to chill. It's so quick and so easy to do. So now that everything is incorporated, let's focus on our toppings. We'll set these aside and begin our buttercream.
So that's inside, and this is what you're going to make.
That's our toppings
outside.
on. Yes.
Nice. Good.
So here we have some butter softened, and we're just going to cream the butter in this large mixing bowl.
Yeah.
And then we're going to slowly add icing sugar. Well, to it, we're also going to add some grated nutmeg, some cinnamon, and to make it that punch of creme flavor, we're going to add bitters and a little bit of rum and some milk. So to our icing sugar, we're just going to grate in some nutmeg. So as we stir, it will already be incorporated. Some cinnamon, and we're just going to give this a stir.
It smells like Christmas, guys. It smells like Christmas.
And as we go, just to get our mixture moving, we're going to add our liquid a little at a time, just so that everything kind of comes in together.
And you want to be able to, you want to use the Regal icing sugar for this?
Yes, of course.
Can't use regular sugar.
Nah.
No, you need the Regal icing
We need
sugar.
it.
You need the Regal icing sugar for this.
So here we have it finished, and all you do now is put these ingredients in piping bags.
And you already have them in piping bags.
Like this.
Yeah.
So we're ready to fill our shells. So here we have our eclair shells, and we're going to fill them with our pre-made custard. So here we have our chocolate mint, and what I did was I made an incision at the top.
So it's like a hot dog, yeah? It's like
you just cut it through.
Down the middle, yeah.
And then you're just going to pipe your filling in.
Great, that's simple enough.
And here we have our sorrel.
You really can play with your fillings, flavors,
Yes.
jellies.
Be as innovative as you like. And we're just going to fill these. And what we're going to do is our buttercream we made with our Regal icing sugar. We're just going to simply pipe on top of that.
And don't worry if yours doesn't come out as perfect as Staci when it's coming out, because she has been doing this for many, many years. It's all about rustic Christmas cooking here.
But this is something simple that the family can do. So here we have our ganache, and we just
Oh!
And here we have it, and we're just going to decorate a little bit. So we have some pre-made fondant pieces in poinsettias. So we're just going to put those right to the top of our sorrel eclairs. And here we have some little fondant snowflakes to represent our mint.
Yes.
And we're just going to place these on top of our chocolate mint. And just be generous with your sprinkles, because we love the festive look. And that's all there is to it.
Isn't this cool, Staci? I mean, this is, if this doesn't speak Christmas on the Christmas table, I don't know what will. Thank you very much.
Thank you too.
Staci, you're doing some Christmas orders for the holidays?
Yes, I will be. You could check me out on Halo Desserts and all your Christmas needs.
All your Christmas desserts. That sorrel jam.
Yeah, we have it available as well. So that's in-house made,
that's
yes.
in-house made by Halo Desserts.
Yes,
so
it is.
If it is you're looking for that sorrel jam to fill your acres or fill anything that you're filling for the Christmas, you can check out at Halo Desserts TT, and Staci will be happy to supply